Okay, so we just got the phone, and it's still the same thing with it. It still doesn't work, basically. I don't know how you check the thing, because when you said you've checked it and it works, it doesn't work for us. It's frozen again. See, it doesn't react, only sometimes. So it's still the same thing, keeps freezing. Now, even after the standby, it's still frozen. So, I don't know how it's checked, but it clearly doesn't work, because, again, we just got it back, and nothing. See, it doesn't react. Nothing you can do.